Hello everybody, this is Coco from Ningbo Tianhui Machine, and today I will introduce a custom-made auto parts to you, manifold, exhaust manifold. First of all, it uses stainless steel 304 material, and second, its process is investment casting. The height is 2.5 kilogram, and its height is 14 centimeter, and the width is 12 centimeter. We support the customization of exhaust manifolds and other accessories for various automobiles, low MOQ, and good price and good quality. If you have any other questions, please feel free to consult us. Thank you.